Okay, we're recording the sewer line here at 19709 15th Avenue Northwest up here in Shoreline. The date is June 25th, Monday, 2018. What you're looking at here is about 70 feet out in the line. Major root intrusion that I cannot get the camera past. You see that root on the top end of the pipe? Giant root. And so we got the line open. But again, that root's there. It's not going anywhere. It's going to continue to cause issues until it is addressed. So we'll pull back from there. And that is at a plastic section. It looks like it was repiped at some point. The root's growing in through a seam there somewhere. This is all clay pipe. Here we're going through 4-inch clay pipe, I believe. Minor roots there. We're back in plastic. I believe we're under the house now. There's a toilet flange. And we're signing out.